This is not a sales video. This is about the next steps. Once, well, if you want to get all of my bonuses, you will have to go to my bonuses page, and you will have to just step one, fill bonus form, and then join our Facebook group, and then get all of the Go High Level bonuses. All right. So the first thing that you have to do is just complete the registration form, then go to our Facebook group, join, see the community. This is free, and also register for a 14-day free trial. Click your cookies to ensure you get it through my link. So this is more bonuses for you. And if you decide, also record a Loom video, so it's better for evidence if the trigger if the affiliate link didn't trigger. Okay, so just click this link inside here, and you'll see that this ref MMVP is going to be added. That means that this is the correct link, and well, you're going to receive all of these bonuses. We have a lot of bonuses. Actually, we have over 5,000, I think, bonuses. So I started with 2,000. Now we have more than 5,000. So we have 100 funnels, set of videos to activate your SaaS, interactive boarding, small business owners snapshot, perfect demo, SaaS one click onboarding snapshot. So go check it out, all of the bonuses. And this is the purpose of the bonuses. We also have training to receive all of the bonuses. So basically, is I don't want you to spend time setting up your SaaS. So we remove all of the technical aspect and also you get help from others, from our exclusive community, because we have a free Facebook group, but we also have exclusive community for affiliates. All right, so you're going to get CSS, theme customization. So you're also going to get SaaS website, so you don't spend time building your SaaS website. We're also going to give you SaaS follow-up SaaS sequences, sales follow-up SaaS sequences, and also a perfect demo script and different presentations. Is going to be really cool. And also you're going to get the one-click onboarding snapshot, gamify onboarding checklist, and different 100 funnels and website templates, small business owners snapshot, so you don't have to spend time building workflows for new clients, and also a free system for getting leads, and another that is an add-on to get leads for scraping leads. All right, so you just have to go this ref MVP. If you're already a user, a Go High Level user, you can upgrade to SaaS and get also the bonuses. You're going to see a different link here. I'm going to add it later, but basically I have all of them. Go to my bio.naisaseo.com if you don't find the link, and you can see here we have a SaaS free course, we have the high level bonuses, we have the SaaS wiki, and we also have our SaaS Facebook group and our store if you want to buy some of my snapshots. All right, so yeah, so that's basically this video, and click the buttons below so you get my bonuses. All, see you.